Welcome back to my channel. This is the Sarah Show if you guys are new. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make the greatest smashed barbecue burgers ever. Now, let's get into what we'll be needing for this recipe. You'll be needing some ground beef that I made into patties. You'll be needing some black pepper. Can you guys see that? Okay. You'll be needing some salt. Now I'm gonna season the patties on both sides with the salt and the black pepper. And then with the help of an adult, I'm going to put this on the barbecue. And then I'm going to barbecue them on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. And then I will show you guys the outcome. I think so. Bye-bye. Okay guys, while the burger is on the barbecue, I'm gonna show you guys the toppings that I'm adding on my amazing burgers. So I'm adding some tomatoes, and fun fact, tomatoes are not a vegetable; they're actually fruits. I'm adding some jalapenos, lettuce, and onions. Now for sauces, adding mustard, hot sauce, ketchup, and mayo. And yeah. So guys, remember, make it how you like it. Okay guys, I'm back. And it's time to make the burger because the patty is here. So, time to make it. So I added 1 jalapeno in the middle because I'm very picky like that. I'm very picky like that. Yes, it's in the middle. I added, and like this is the plate. Here we got the patty. We got the jalapeno, right? The jalapeno. Jalapeno mayo hot sauce. Here we got the jalapeno mayo hot sauce and lettuce. Now we're gonna be adding some onions. I don't like much onions on mine because it doesn't taste so good. It's like really hard. So yeah. I like to split my onions in half, like break them, put them on both sides. Now I'm gonna add this tomato. Really big, nicely sliced potato. There you go. Kind of flip. Wait, I almost forgot. You gotta add this too. There. Okay, guys. Look at this. Beauty, am I right? Time to taste this, guys. My favorite part about these videos. Tasting and making it. I'm gonna find like a really good bite. Ready? Set? Go. Oh my god. Guys, this is so good. The meat is so soft. It's so crunchy. It's so good. The vegetable is so juicy. And if you didn't know, I barbecue the bun too. So I like it like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I love this so much. This is so good. I love this so much. Okay guys, well, put that aside and let's end this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like, give this channel a subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notified. And I will see you guys on next